All right, number 4 in the types of videos that your e-commerce brand needs is, this is maybe my favorite, a product tutorial video, okay? And this is a brand that is really, really good at this. This brand called Filmic Pro, okay? Filmic Pro is behind a series of gimbals. They have a gimbal called the Movie, I forget exactly the name of the product, it's called a Movie gimbal, MOVI. Check it out if you're looking for a nice little camera gimbal. But when you buy this thing, what becomes really apparent is that there's a lot of freaking toys and bells and whistles with it. So immediately I went to YouTube to try to figure out how to use it. Okay, so in Filmic's marketing strategy, you know, tons and tons of how-tos, right? 5 tips on how to make more reliable videos with your Filmic, how to use stitch mode, how to do mobile filmmaking. You know, for a lot of people, they sort of forget that YouTube is the 2nd largest search engine on the planet. So for your how-to product research videos for your brand, even if the customer's already purchased the product, if there are upsells or other add-on products that that require how-to video type content, YouTube videos and YouTube ads is a killer way to do that, and Filmic Pro just crushes it at that. So product tutorial, product demonstration videos, you gotta have it.